How we can find the mean, standard deviation, frequency of the data lying between 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviations, and 3 standard deviations. First, we find the mean by hitting the equal sign, typing average, highlighting the data that we would like it to average, and hit enter. So that's 3.3. Standard deviation, similar process, hit the equal sign, start typing standard deviation. You see stdev, so we want to select that, and then we highlight the data, hit enter. There's the standard deviation. Okay, so how do we find the frequency within 1 standard deviation? The easiest way that we could do it is just hit equal sign and then hit the mean minus standard deviation. So the data that lies that we just want greater than 0.94 for this example, and we can hit equal sign, mean plus standard deviation. So any data that lies between these two values, that is the frequency in which it's within 1 standard deviation. Let's see. So I have 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 10, I have 6 data points. So that would be 60%. What about 2 standard deviations? Equals mean minus 2 times standard deviation. So it's negative 1.41 for this example. Equal sign, mean plus 2 times standard deviation. Enter, 8. So we want any values between negative 1.41 and 8. Well, that for this example, that's going to be all of them. So that would be 100%. And 3 standard deviations, well, that would obviously be 100% for this too, but I'll show you how to do it. You can go the mean minus 3 times standard deviation, so any value less or greater than this, and then we can go mean plus 3 times standard deviation. So any values that lie between this, but it's already going to be 100%. Okay, so I hope that helps in understanding how we can do this, and let me know if you have any further questions.